you attempt doing your front handspring, you need to make sure that you warm up your back, shoulders and wrists. Don't forget, warming up is really important. It can really help avoid injuries, so remember, don't forget to stretch and warm up. You should already be able to do a handstand and a handstand block. This is where you push away from the floor with your shoulders. You should also have some experience in gymnastics and a soft surface to practice on. There are a few different ways you can do a front handspring, but today I'm going to show you two of my favourites. For the first one, if you can already do a front walkover, then that's great. If not, then a few other YouTubers have tutorials on their channel. Pause the video right now and come back once you can do your front walkover. Next, you can practice running into your front walkover. The final step in doing this type of front handspring is trying to push off from your shoulders and wrists in the front walkover. The second way of doing a front handspring is by going off one foot and landing on 2 feet. To achieve this, you can start by falling into a bridge from your handstand and then standing up. Once you've got this confidently, gradually start to stand up quicker. Once you've done this, like the other one, you just need to add the run up and push off your wrists and shoulders to do your front handspring. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you get your front handspring. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials, and comment down below which tutorials you'd like to see. Bye!